Do you want to increase the visibility of your website, attract more organic traffic, and grow your online business? One of the best ways to do this is by finding the right keywords for your niche, and that's where Keysearch Starter comes in. Keysearch Starter is a keyword research tool that provides valuable insights into the most profitable and relevant keywords for your online business. With Keysearch Starter, you can discover the monthly search volume, keyword difficulty, and average CPC, among other important data. This makes it easier for you to target your content and marketing strategies to the keywords that will bring the best return on investment. And the best part is, Keysearch Starter is easy to use and affordable for all types of online businesses. Even if you're new to digital marketing, you can start using Keysearch Starter right away and get amazing results. Don't wait any longer to take your online business to the next level. Try Keysearch Starter today and start finding the right keywords for your niche. Click the link to the official product website in the description of this video to get started now. Start finding the right keywords for your online business with Keysearch Starter. Click the link to the official product website in the description of this video to get started now.